Hi everyone, my name is Tatum Goodell and I am a junior at UNK. I live in North Platte, Nebraska, and I am a fully online college student, which I really enjoy. To the left, you will see a picture of me and my former cat, Ollie. My major is sociology and I'm minoring in psychology, which I have really enjoyed so far. When I graduate, I really would like to be a counselor of some kind, whether that be like a school counselor or a mental health counselor. I'm not for sure yet, but I am really excited for that. And then if you look to the right, that is a picture of my dog Daisy, who I really enjoy spending time with. And then I also included a picture of coffee down on the bottom because I actually work at a coffee shop in North Platte, and that is where I spend a lot of my free time. Another fun fact about me is that in my free time, I like to paint and also listen to music. And I'm really looking forward to this class and getting to know everyone. So, social media marketing is a way for businesses to get their product or their business out there on social media sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of those. It is very useful and a very common marketing strategy in today's society. I, for one, have a lot of different social media sites that I use. I use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all of those. And I have personally seen a lot of businesses use this strategy, and it is really helpful for the businesses. So it's used for a few different reasons. One of the main reasons is that social media, as I said before, is so common. Almost everyone that I know has some sort of social media of some kind, whether it be Facebook or Twitter. So it is very common. It's also fast. It's a fast way to get your product out there and reach a lot of people. It's also pretty inexpensive. There are many ways that you can get your product out there without having to spend a lot of money compared to other ways. It's relatively easy. There are many different tutorials or classes you can take if there's a certain social media site that you don't understand how to use. It is extremely effective because it reaches a lot of people. And unlike older ways of marketing that uses one-way communication, social media marketing uses two-way communication, which is very effective. So overall, social media marketing is very beneficial for businesses and is becoming more and more common in today's day and age.